Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Microsoft account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Microsoft account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in Microsoft.com and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Microsoft log in on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the Microsoft sign in or create your account today available on the first result of Google. Click over there, and on the first tab we are on the direct home page of Microsoft. Now to log into your Microsoft account from the home page, you can see the person with a plus button which says sign into your account on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and you can see we are on the login page of Microsoft, whereas this is also the login page of Microsoft. And you can see at the top right corner the same icon. Click over there, which means we are both opening the same site. It's both one of these. Now to log into your Microsoft account, you'll be required to enter your email or your phone or your Skype number, and then click on next. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your password, and after that click on login to sign into your Microsoft account from your computer. And if you have not yet created an account on Microsoft, you can create one button available over here. Click over there and you'll be taken to the procedure where you can sign up for a Microsoft account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Microsoft account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.